Okay, we have all the tools you need from here. Go ahead and grab them, bring them to your station, and get started.
Oh,
Don't forget the cognac.
oh sure.
We have
almost there.
Almost there.
I think
What
I'm
are you
gonna.
doing?
So I think I'm gonna put a little bit more of like orange bitter.
Fabulous.
Let's just play more on the orange.
That's great. It's really dry. It's beautiful, but it's balanced. The chamomile was a great decision. The phenols, bringing out those floral tones in the actual cognac. Oh yes, amazing mystery old-fashioned syrup. I'm excited. Beautiful, familiar flavors, gorgeous. You tell me if it's ready for me to try. It's ready? Oh, I love the confidence. Okay. Great nose. The lemongrass is really interesting with pairing because it gives you that citrus zest thing that you can get on an old fashioned. I like that. Can we do one more round of the finished cocktails? And let's have you guys make them all. We'll line you up, make them all, and present them. And then we're going to do the final judging for this competition.
Okay.